Danny's had a computer built, or I've had a computer built for him, and we're just going to hopefully pick it up now. We're at the back of TutCom. It always brings back memories when I see a yellow beetle. This way or that way, either way. We caught the ferry over to the Portsmouth car auctions back in the 80s, and me and Martin Watshot went over and I bought a Volkswagen Beetle, and we got it up the road and it was major engine problems. I bought it for like a couple of £100. It's spluttering, it conked out, but it conked out right by a garage, all locked up at night. So I put the key through the door and left a note and took the phone number and phoned them the next day. They fixed it. It was about £200. It was a cracked cylinder or something. Where's Mummy? And went back, advertised it in the local paper, went and picked it up, had it back at home for about 20 minutes, and I sold it for £850. And I reckon I could have got more. It was very good condition. Once I picked it, a young girl came and bought it off me. She fell in love with it as soon as she saw it. Right, anyway, TutCom. Now when we bought it, this is why I want to come and park it. Hopefully they'll bring it down on a trolley or something. This is your Apple shop. I might have bought something in there, Yasmin. Here they come. Hey. Still a lot of empty places, especially when you go to the higher floors, that have not come back since the pandemic. Oh, we want the lift, don't we, with Emily? Better you get the lift, yeah? Luggage. I need a more firm backpack for my camera stuff. But no, they're all too small. Okay, back when we get up to the required floor. There it is. Dirty cup for YouTube. There's a man, he takes care of us. He bought the family. Is this it? That's a beast, isn't it?
Does it have to fit?
I'll just put it there and sort something out.
Yeah, that's my computer.
I'm jealous. I've got a poxy little laptop for my editing. That's a computer.
What, so here, so he...
There's not much like it.
Do you like that, Emily? You like Danny's computer? No, you're not having a camera. It's a Christmas present. There's more USBs, lots of USBs here, Danny. We've got plenty of sockets. Everything on that trolley is there you go. Oh, it's too high. What? Right, I've got to run off and get the car, and then they'll come. I don't know, I've got to check with him where he's going. Yeah, the end one, yeah? It's the iStudio where Yasmin's present came from. Okay, I'll get car in about 3 minutes. Oh, is it going to open? Thought it was broken. All right, see you in a moment. Right, we'll turn off. Come back when we load the computer in. Right, we got the car. I made a bit of space in the back. I think, can it lay down?
Okay.
Bloody shopping as well from that expedition.
How about this stuff?
Well, yeah. Put that one in along. Emily! Where's my computer? Got to get that in as well. Oh, you're meant to go in now, that's why I thought you went.
You say you needed something from
Maybe across there. Actually, I'll put it there because I won't be able to see out the window. Right, well, there's a load and a half, isn't it? Right, okay, Cotton Cap, let's give him $100. There you go, folks, bring it down for me. Cotton Cap. Alright. Okay.